With this session, we are going to discuss about chemical reaction terminologies. There are some basic terminology which we are need to discuss while we are discussing about chemical reaction, such as endothermic reactions, exothermic reactions, and what is the meaning of reactivity series. First, we move to the endothermic reactions. When any chemical reactions happen, if the reactant which take a part in reaction, it's need energy in the form of heat, light, electricity you can consider as if any substance need energy to get converted into product. So such kind of reaction is considered as endothermic reaction. Like for example, you want to melt the ice cubes in cooking, in boiling any substance, or you want to get separate the ionic pairs. You need to give some kind of energy to the reactant to make products. So that kind of process is considered as endothermic reaction in which the reactants need energy in the form of heat, light, electric charge, anything you can consider as. Now we move towards the exothermic reaction. As the word say exo means out. Means in such kind of reaction, the reactant when take a part in reaction, while it's allowed to convert into product, it release some energy with the product. So, such kind of reaction is considered as exothermic reaction in which the reactant get performed and convert into product is also release energy either in the form of heat, light, and any other energy source you can consider as. So whenever the energy is get released during take up in reaction, so such kind of reaction is considered as exothermic reaction. Like when you burn any fuel, the combustion process in which when any fuel get burned in the presence of oxygen, it will release energy. Respiration process in which we are also the heat is released, and dissolving any acid in water, the automatically you can see the waters it get warm up, means it will release the energy. So if in any kind of chemical reaction at the product side if release the energy, so it is considered as exothermic reaction. Now we move towards the reactivity series. What is reactivity series? Reactivity series is nothing but you are arranging a metals which take a part in reaction in a ascending order on the basis of their reactivity power. And this reactivity tendency is completely based on how much any element have a capability to lose electron and convert into positive ion as cation. So you are arranging the metal from bottom to top by increasing order of their reactivity on the basis of that which metal is more have more ability to lose electron and get positive ion, that completely move towards the top side, and which metal have a less tendency to lose electron and get positive, that mentioned at the bottom side. So while we moving from the bottom to top, so automatically the tendency of the metal to lose electron and get positive charge it's get increased. So reactivity series is nothing but it's a simple place where the metal from the top to bottom is based on their react greater tendency to lose electron and form positive ions. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session.